We are dedicated to being 100% safe, ensuring all our stakeholders are free from harm. So our Perfect Delivery pledge of safe fully aligns with our business strategy of being 100% safe, which also encompasses the 5 pillars of safety. But it's more than just safety. It involves occupational health and consideration of the environment as well, and more than just that safety function. So the 100% safe culture is something that not only is for our own staff and our workforce, but also our supply chain. There could be our clients and consultants that are working with us, and also people that were maybe end users of the projects that we're working on as well. So it's all encompassing really to look after the safety of all of our stakeholders. So it's paramount really to start considering safety from pre-construction stage and as early as possible as we can in that pre-construction phase. It nicely aligns with our 100% safe pillar of safe by design, and the more work that we do up front to planning to be safe and also to be healthy and protect the environment really benefits us in the long run for making sure that our projects meet that Perfect Delivery pledge of being 100% safe. So underpinning our Perfect Delivery pledge of safe are the 5 pillars of safety. And again, these are more than just safety. They are, they cover occupational health and the environment, and of course the well-being and mental health of our own staff, but also our stakeholders and supply chain and such like. So those 5 pillars are safe by design. Now this is more about putting in all the work up front in pre-construction, and then how we can influence design to reduce the hazards of safe environment and of course occupational health. Closely followed by that is safe places. So safe places is about how we set our projects up and to be safe, safe walkways, safe areas for working at height, and all of those sorts of great things that are keeping our workforce safe day to day. Most important, I think, one of the most important ones here, I think, are safe relationships. Now, this is all about how we engage with our supply chain, members of our own workforce, but also, again, our clients and our end users to understand what some of their challenges are in terms of, if we're building those great relationships and we're engaging with those guys about their own safety, then, that goes a long way to making sure that our projects are safe. And a really important focus point for us at the minute is our safe pillar of safe lives. Now, safe lives is all about occupational health. Occupational health is a real focus for us in the business currently, and in the construction industry in general. So this remains to be a focus point, and looking after people's health, and this involves their mental health and well-being is paramount important to us currently. And finally, we've got the pillar of safe choice. Safe choice is it underpins our strapline of 100% safe really by, everybody has the right to be 100% safe. So this is empowering our staff, our workforce, our supply chain to be able to make the decisions that directly impact their own safety. So measuring safe from a Perfect Delivery point of view is more than just the number of incidents that we'd had at that project. That there's more to safety than whether we've had a RIDDOR or an environmental incident. Being 100% safe and meeting that pledge of safe in Perfect Delivery is about the culture of that project. So, are we having the safe relationships? Have we put a lot of work in up front as part of safe by design? And are we really meeting those 100% safe pillars? And if we can demonstrate that we're doing that, then we're demonstrating that we're perfectly delivering our project from a safety point of view. So safe is all about people, and making sure that those people that are coming and doing a fantastic job for us day to day go home safe at the end of the day and return to their families, their loved ones, their colleagues and friends. So that's the people part. And then, of course, we've got, making sure that we're looking after their well-being, looking after their occupational health, and also that we're protecting the environment. So if I had to give one key message to our staff as a takeaway of how we can work towards the pledge of a safe, imperfect delivery, it would be that no matter whether you're a member of the leadership team, a member of our project team, or indeed, you're undertaking some of the administration roles from an office point of view, the most important thing to take away would be to go and talk to the guys that are at the workplace and just understand some of their challenges from a safety point of view. and see how, can we improve any of those, and what we could do to kind of make our project safer. So if I had to give one takeaway to our staff, how we can work towards the pledge of safe, imperfect delivery, it would be to be curious, no matter your role. If things don't look safe or don't feel safe, ask questions. And by doing so and kind of building those relationships with our teams and our workforce, we'll forever be striving to be as safe as we possibly can.